si ES Bidaldian at maybe meron siyang appointment. Ang aming appointment ay pinoprocess pa, tinitingnan pa namin kung kami ay makapasok. He is a lawyer ni PRRD, therefore pwede siyang pumasok, but kami pinoproseso pa yung aming appointment.
Yes, I'm Gary from the Philippine Embassy.
Yes.
I'm here with the legal counsel of the President Duterte.
Okay.
And they have an request to himself and the daughter of the President of them officially a request to visit.
Okay, was there an appointment date?
Not yet, they are following up on the visit request.
Okay, just a moment.
Yes. So the email was sent a few hours ago.
I understand, but there need to be made an appointment before I can let anyone in.
Okay,
So
so
if you can call maybe someone who's inside, maybe to make an appointment, so they put you in the system.
okay. So can you refer us to someone we can call now?
No, I don't have any numbers from that department right now.
Right.
Maybe you can, I think online or something, maybe you know somebody who can give you a phone number.
Yes.
I can't give it from here.
So what we have, and we have seen the request, is an email address. And it was
Is there maybe a phone number in the email address?
No, there's none.
Okay,
That's
you
why.
can reply maybe to the email address so they send you a number you can call.
Right. Well, I will ask because it's not from the embassy, it's from the legal counsel.
Okay.
The legal counsel, right?
Yeah, that's the only thing I can help you with right now.
Right.
You need somebody who can sign you the system so I can let you in.
Okay. Okay.
Only way.
Okay. Thank you.
Halika na. Nakapasok man kami.
Hello.
Hello. We have an appointment with Mr. Jakob Krasniqi from the KSC.
Can I have your passport tonight?
I email dalawa ng number ko. Masa sir? Parang sabi niya, tawagan daw. Parang ilagay.
Everybody, iedereen. Spreken jullie Nederlands, Engels? No filming inside. Outside, please.
So nakalabas po tayo dahil ang sabi no filming inside, pero andoon po yung si ES Medallia at ang abogado, isang abogado at isang Pilipina from Philippine Embassy. Lahat po dito ay ABS-CBN TV5 and yung isa doon si mga Pilipinos po dito ngayon. They are getting, but kami po kumuha na rin kami, nag-email na kami, 5 ang pwedeng magkapasok. So andyan pa po sila gumagawa ng kung sino ang matawagan.
Hello. Baka magkasama ako sa... Sila kasama na dyan? Oo, kasama. Ikat mo na lang. Didirection ba yun?
Yeah, what happened?
As you
Langga.
said that we need to
What?
do it via on the website.
Website. What?
The
ES Medallia, the lawyer also of the president, 2 lawyers of the president inside.
You cannot go inside.
They do same as what we do. We have to process the. Si Medallia. Pete, hold this one. Pete, hold. I got
Yeah.
inside.
You go inside. You cannot?
I said we can do the interpreter for Dutch, but they said they talk already in English. They can understand.
Yeah.
Okay, it's alright. Sabi lang ga, aging na nako nga, we can do the interpreter, but they said,
Kay nangita man daw og nurse nga makasabisaya og Dutch. Kamaman ko.
yung babae kasi ang nagsabi, nilapitan ko na sila, sinapitan ko na sila na we can do the interpreter, but they are doing the same what we are doing.
Yeah, but ayaw man nurse.
But
Nag-request man siya gabi.
Ano si agent sir?
Mo
Hindi.
mo ako sir kamo.
Yeah, you can.
Atoy, ayaw dala ng bag. Kaya basi masuko sila. Atoy lang si Meteldia. Sige.
Sa lang daw inon siya.
Sige.
And the man here said that we just need to know that the email has been received. And yes. Okay.
Wa daw ata. Di sila kabalupod numero.
Right now we are speaking with the detention center itself. You are from the detention center, correct? Yes, and yes, and is there nothing in your email system of this request from Mr. One moment, madam. So then let me just check the complete address.
Gmail address?
Hello.
You go through the door, I will give you best, okay?
Yeah, that is not correct. Correct,
But the number, download na? Hindi na kuan. Is there any other passport number?
And which language can...
Katong sini mo gani hati wala ta nagkuan.
Submit.
Hindi man naman sila.
There's something wrong with the
Sulod na si
Normally,
wala. Dito man mo sulod. Nakasulod.
Wala.
Tabangay daw mo. Magaling yan ng internet. Pit, how you can do it.
Okay, so that email to the ICC detention visits email address has not been forwarded to this facility. Is that what you are saying now, madam? Right. Okay. Okay, so madam, for the legal counsel to request
Tanda.
this institution that
Yeah, merong wrong. Merong
here first the day, then the month, and then
so
the
it's still the ICC here.
13
They
Okay,
Oh.
okay. Okay, yeah? Okay, so we will do that.
33.
it should be 13 then 3
Then,
Yes, thank you so much, my brother.
maybe, I don't know. Passport number. Phone number. This is the number from your passport. Here, 592.
your voice. Lower.
592.
Lower the voice.
Here, it's not. This is not. One.
lang kayong
From,
number.
yes,
Yung telephone.
telephone.
Di ba may telephone tayong ginatawagan, naka-email.
5% lang po.
Hindi, kuan na tayo ba? Naka-email, mag-email, pero they have no telephone number. Sila kailangan nila para makatawag.
Nag-try na tayo, nagtawag.
Hindi pwede.
Tawag naman.
Good, this is fine. What's this here? Valid. March. Wednesday, March 12. 2007.
Same yung status namin nila ES Medaldia with the lawyer.
This here,
What?
Giovanna.
Yeah. Okay, I'll take the call. Mamaya na, finish muna tayo. Wait, just have this one, please. So I can take the call. Okay. Maghinto muna tayo. I have to take the call.